Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
चुप रहा पहले.
बोल. वो हो रही है. Tola, we miss you. Please come soon.
Mama yours.
We are going to celebrate your birthday.
How?
We will go out for dinner, Saloni. But we are
In
missing you. हाँ, we'll do that. कुछ तो करेंगे Saloni.
Beta, God bless you. Happy birthday with lots of love, happiness and blessings. So many blessings. We are eagerly waiting for you. Okay, beta, bye.
सलोनी बेटा, आपको जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो. आप सदा खुश रहो, खुशहाल और दोनों एंजॉय करो. बाबा साईं का आशीर्वाद आप दोनों के साथ है. आप वहाँ पे खूब मस्ती मारो और हमें तो उम्मीद है कि हमें सरप्राइज़ दोगे कि 30 तारीख को आप हमारे यहाँ पे आ चुके हो नोएडा में, और इससे बड़ी हमारे लिए गिफ्ट क्या हो सकता है. रिटर्न गिफ्ट. खुश रहो बेटा, बाबा साईं का आशीर्वाद हमारे.
Hi Tolu.
Hi Tola, happy birthday.
Happy 28th birthday.
See where are we? We're in Dubai. पीछे देख.
Celebrating your birthday. Tola, you're the bestest sister I could have ever got. I love you the most. I miss you a lot. And this is why we're in Dubai. तू कहाँ है यार?
सोची वो पेपर पे कुछ और लिखा था तो हमने गलत बोला.
Happy birthday to Chuki Tola. May God bless you.
God bless you.
Love you.
Love you.
Take care. Enjoy.
Happy birthday, Tola.
Happy birthday, Tola. We love you so much. Mwah.
Happy birthday, Saloni. From your favorite person in the family. I wanted to do a solo video, but you know, she didn't let me do it. So our best wishes are always with you. May you have a wonderful and prosperous year and come back to India and we'll party.
Happy birthday, dear Saloni. God bless you with long life and happy life ahead. And I always wanted to wish you together because you know we both are favorite, you know. Love you. Have a wonderful day and year ahead.
Dearest Tolaram Hayes, wishing you a very happy birthday and a wonderful year ahead. Can't wait to meet you, hopefully during Diwali. Have a blast, have a good party on me, and hopefully see you soon. Take care, bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Saloni. Hope you have a really great day, and we really hope to see you soon around Diwali. Have a good time. Bye.
Happy
birthday, Tola.
Happy birthday, Soniwa.
Happy birthday, Saloni. May God bless you all the happiness in life. We are missing you and we are waiting for the day when you come and meet all of us.
5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7.
Recording.
So, 5, 6, 7, 8. Happy birthday, Sol! Say it.
Happy birthday, Soloni.
We miss you, and we hope that you're having a wonderful dinner, and we hope that your husband has done something really special in bed and out, and we really hope to see you very soon because it's been too long. Although we had plans to come to Dubai, but
And India भी मत आओ, हम आ जाते हैं. सोच लो guys.
think over it, okay?
Let us know. We got a bouquet.
Yeah, happy birthday! Come and then we'll do shots and drinks and
Quarantine.
then drink some Sprite the next day and throw up.
Happy birthday, Saloni. First of all, I suck at making videos. I'm sorry. But thank you, Thapar, for making me do that. Saloni, it goes without saying that you're a very, very dear friend to me. And I adore you very much. Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Hi Sol, happy birthday. I'm looking cheerful for this video, but I hate the fact that I'm doing this virtually.
in an ideal world, we should have been sitting together, sipping on some sangria probably. I'd like to believe we've graduated from vodka shots and clearly come a long way in the 10 years that we've completed of knowing each other. And I don't feel the need to repeat how special you are, how lucky I am to have you as a friend in my life. But yes, I guess 2020 is not the best year ever. But I still can't wait to see you very soon and lose some money together at Teen Patti. And please come, jaldi aaja, ho gaya Dubai. Now just come show us your faces. I really need a hug. And we need to forget about this pandemic and spend some good time together and chill. Take care, love you, see you, have a great birthday and lots of love. Bye.
Happy birthday, Gauru. May this be the best year of your life. I love you. I miss you. Hope to see you super soon.
Tola. Happy birthday, Tola. I hope you have a wonderful year, like whatever is left of it. I know it's a bit ironic because nobody is having a wonderful year, but I hope you do. And you do not have to worry. I will not take your husband away from you for some time. So yeah, that would be my birthday gift to you right now. Yeah, enjoy your day. And you know, you're the official planner and everybody only meets when you're there. So I'm looking forward to see you and see everybody together in November around Diwali. Because without you, the plans suck. Happy birthday again. See you.
Hi Solin, wish you a very happy birthday. I miss you a lot. And I really hope I'm able to meet you and your funny husband as soon as possible, as soon as COVID-19 is gone.
Wish you a very happy birthday. So happy for you. Cannot believe we've been friends for the last 14-15 years. Lots of love and happiness, baby. Come back soon to India. Bye.
Kula amba inti bikhair. Habibi Saloni, this for you. Sana helva ya Gamia. Sana helva ya Gamia. Sana helva, sana helva. Sana helva ya Gamia.
Hey, wish you a very happy birthday. God bless you with lots and lots of happiness. You're truly an amazing person and it's just beautiful to have you as a part of my life. We've created so many good memories together and I look forward to creating more with you. And hopefully I'll see you soon here. And I may not pick up your calls so often and I may not call you that often, but it doesn't mean that I don't miss you. I really miss you and I love you lots. Love you.
Thank you for everything that you do for me every single day, every single minute. You're the bestest for me. I could not have imagined a better wife, a better girl, a better girlfriend, a caring wife, and every adjective it can come. I'm emotional, I'm happy, I'm sad that you're turning old, but I'm very excited that the next few years of my life will be very memorable with you. I'm looking forward to the day, and thank you Nikki really for making this video and consolidating it for everyone. I love you Tolu. That's all from the bottom of my heart, from everywhere possible.